Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy cranberry walnut loaf bread. When I'm not out camping or hiking or playing with my kayak, I'm at home being domestic. But anyway, I'm putting a lot of recipes up on my channel right now because I don't want you to forget me. And actually, if you would like or subscribe, I do have a goal that I'd like to hit 125 subscribers by Christmas. So if you can help me, that would be awesome. And I'm gonna just continue to put up recipes, and hopefully I'll get around to doing some winter camping soon. I really miss being out in the great outdoors. I want to share this with you. This is for you. Already buttered, just waiting. This is so easy. It's going to be just, everything is going to be pretty much thrown into this one bowl. I already greased this pan. I still have to flour it, but you also need salt, baking soda, some sort of like orange juice or apple juice, vanilla, an egg, flour and sugar, walnuts if you want, cranberries, allspice, ginger, and I'm going to use the rind of part of this orange. First step, turn your oven to 350 and it's going to bake for 1 hour. So you start out with 2 cups of flour. Throw a little bit in this pan. 1 cup of sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Don't use baking powder, it's baking soda. 2 tablespoons of butter. 3/4 of a cup of juice. I'm using orange juice. And 1 egg. A splash of vanilla. That's a splash. And a scant half teaspoon of allspice. Also ginger. I use a little less ginger this time. That's going to be 1/4 teaspoon. I'm bringing this over to the stand mixer. You also want a cup of cranberries that you've just kind of chopped up a little bit just to pretty much burst them. It doesn't have to be exact. I'm going to add the cranberries into the batter. You can use fresh or you can use frozen. It doesn't really matter. It just makes it easier if they're fresh to cut them up. Always rinse your cranberries first. Cup of walnut. Just give this a quick stir. You take your floured pan. Just get the flour to stick. Make sure you grease the sides of the pan too. I'm going to grate a bit of the orange. I know this isn't really an orange, but you can use an orange. I'm going to pierce the orange just a little bit to get the liquid. Squeeze some of that into there. I'm just going to blend that in. It could have been done before, I forgot. But that's it. And this is just going into this pan. Spread it out, and this goes in the oven for 1 hour. This recipe is so easy, you can double it up if you want to make more. If you want 2 loaf pans, you can just double the flour, double the sugar, double the vanilla splash. But very easy to do, very forgiving recipe, and it's it's not a kitchen cleaner. This is a pretty quick, easy, fun recipe. Even kids can do this with you, which back when I had kids, that's what we used to do during the holidays, is bake a lot of breads and give them out as gifts.